If your Oral-B IO10 keeps disconnecting from the Oral-B app, you're not alone. Bluetooth dropouts and pairing failures affect a noticeable number of users. Most problems are either software conflicts on the phone or minor firmware glitches inside the brush itself. Start with a full reset. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the LED reacts. Then go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and forget the toothbrush completely. Delete and reinstall the Oral-B app, restart your phone, and begin pairing again from scratch inside the app. For best results, keep the brush battery above 50% and place it on the charger while pairing. Also enable location services, since Bluetooth discovery often depends on it. If issues continue, reduce interference. Move away from Wi-Fi routers, smartwatches, or other Bluetooth devices and try pairing in a different room. Logging out and back into your Oral-B account can also refresh syncing errors. Keeping the app updated and restarting the brush monthly helps prevent repeat problems. Most connectivity issues are fixable with a clean reset and proper setup environment.